Welcome to Secure Biz, where we analyze the shifting landscape of digital media and the technology that drives our modern world. In this rapidly evolving digital era, the way we consume technology reviews has changed dramatically, shifting towards shorter and faster content. Time has become our most valuable currency, forcing content creators to condense complex information into bite-sized pieces for immediate consumption. We are witnessing a battle between traditional, long-form analysis and the explosive popularity of short videos that prioritize speed over depth. The art of editing has transformed, requiring creators to be ruthless with their footage to keep the viewer engaged every second. Short videos compel us to focus strictly on the main points, often selecting just one or three standout features to highlight. There is simply no time to cover everything, so creators must strategically choose what matters most to the average consumer today. Often, the focus lands squarely on the new design language, showcasing the aesthetics that catch the eye within the first second. Alternatively, the spotlight might shift entirely to the camera system, demonstrating its prowess in capturing life's fleeting moments with clarity. This selective storytelling creates a compelling narrative, but it leaves out the nuanced details that some power users might desperately need. We move into the realm of fast facts, where technical specifications are delivered with the speed and precision of a machine gun. Viewers demand to know the processor speed, the amount of memory, and the storage capacity without waiting for a lengthy explanation. The price point and the official release date are flashed on the screen instantly, respecting the viewer's desire for immediate information. This rapid delivery style mimics the fast-paced nature of modern life, where efficiency is valued above comprehensive storytelling and deep analysis. Next comes the instant experience, capturing that raw and unfiltered reaction when a user interacts with a product for the first time. It is all about that immediate emotional hook, the genuine surprise and delight that comes from the very first physical touch. Creators try to transmit the tactile feeling of the materials through the screen, describing the grip and weight in vivid detail. Visuals play a crucial role here, using lighting to make the product look as desirable and premium as possible instantly. The moment the screen lights up represents the birth of the experience, a critical second that captures the audience's full attention. This shared excitement is contagious, driving engagement and sharing, which is the ultimate goal of any short-form content creator today. However, this format suffers from a significant drawback, as the lack of time prevents any meaningful exploration of deeper capabilities. There is simply no opportunity to properly test battery life, which requires days of real-world usage to evaluate accurately and fairly. Deep performance analysis is often skipped, leaving viewers unaware of potential overheating issues or throttling during extended gaming sessions. Detailed comparisons with competitors are sacrificed, leaving the product in a vacuum without context regarding its market position or value. This lack of depth can lead to confusion, as consumers might buy a product based on hype rather than performance. We get a surface-level view of the technology, seeing the glossy exterior but missing the engineering challenges hidden beneath the surface. True understanding requires patience and time, resources that are becoming increasingly scarce in our fast-paced, scroll-addicted digital society. A comprehensive review is a journey that spans days or weeks, observing how a device adapts to daily life routines. Despite these limitations, the trend is undeniable, and the audience for quick, digestible content continues to grow at an exponential rate. Creators are adapting their workflows, optimizing their scripts to deliver maximum impact within the first 3 seconds of the video. Audio plays a pivotal role, with punchy voiceovers and trending music tracks used to maintain retention and prevent scrolling away. Visual density is increased, packing more information into every frame to ensure the viewer feels they are learning something valuable. The comment section becomes a secondary source of information, where users fill in the gaps left by the short video format. Shareability is the key metric, as concise and exciting videos are far more likely to be forwarded to friends and family. Tech companies are also changing their marketing strategies, designing products that look good in 15-second clips on social media. Designers now prioritize flashy aesthetics and gimmicks that translate well to video, sometimes over practical durability or long-term usability. Screen brightness and color saturation are pushed to the limits to ensure the device looks stunning even in brief outdoor shots. Even the packaging is engineered for the camera, creating a multi-stage opening process that builds suspense and excitement for viewers. The era of reading long written reviews is fading, replaced by the dynamic and passive consumption of high-energy video content. Our brains are adapting to process visual data faster, craving the dopamine hit that comes from discovering a new gadget. The first second is the battleground. If the hook is not strong enough, the viewer is gone forever with a swipe. Amidst the flashiness, viewers still crave authenticity, looking for creators who can deliver honest opinions within the short format constraints. Trust is built when a creator admits what they do not know, or acknowledges the limitations of their short review time. We must recognize that many of these videos serve as entertainment first, and educational material or purchasing advice second. For many, watching tech reviews is a hobby, a way to stay updated on trends without any intention of buying. This passive consumption creates a culture of window shopping, where we admire the technology from afar without the financial commitment. The constant cycle of new releases and reviews fuels a desire for upgrades, contributing to the growing problem of electronic waste. Short videos rarely discuss longevity or repairability, focusing instead on the shiny new features that encourage immediate consumption and disposal. We need to ask more questions about durability and repairability, topics that are often too complex for a 60-second clip. The ideal consumer diet involves a balance, using short videos for discovery and long-form content for deep, informed research. Smart viewers use short clips as a teaser, prompting them to seek out comprehensive reviews before making a final purchase decision. There is still a vital place for in-depth journalism, where every aspect of a device is scrutinized without time constraints. Long-form reviews can show us the reality of battery drain, giving us the confidence that a device will last all day. They allow for pixel-peeping comparisons, revealing which camera truly reigns supreme in challenging low-light conditions or dynamic action shots. Performance benchmarks can be contextualized, explaining not just the numbers, but what they mean for your daily workflow and speed. Experts can offer predictions and analysis on how a device fits into the broader ecosystem in the future of tech. Ecosystem integration is another complex topic, as the magic lies in how devices talk to each other seamlessly over time. Software nuances, hidden features, and customization options are often discovered only through the thorough exploration found in longer video formats. Durability tests, while painful to watch, provide essential data on whether a device can survive the accidents of everyday life. Revisiting a product after a month of usage reveals flaws that the initial wow factor of unboxing completely masked over. Software updates can drastically change a phone's performance, a dynamic aspect that a launch day short video can never capture. Community feedback often surfaces weeks later, highlighting widespread issues that no single reviewer could have caught in a short video. The voice of the long-term user is the most valuable asset in tech reporting, providing a counterbalance to the hype. Perhaps the future lies in a hybrid format, where visual flair meets the intellectual rigor of traditional technology journalism. Platforms are evolving too, experimenting with ways to link short teasers directly to longer, more detailed content for interested viewers. The call to action is crucial, guiding the viewer from a moment of entertainment to a destination of knowledge and purchase. From a business perspective, short videos are highly efficient conversion tools, driving sales through impulse and emotional connection. Brands are shifting their budgets, paying for influencers who can create that perfect, viral 15-second clip for their product. This relationship between brands and creators raises questions about bias, as short videos often lack the disclaimer space for transparency. Viewers must be critical thinkers, understanding that a 60-second ad is not the same as an independent, unbiased review. Transparency is key, and smart consumers learn to spot the difference between a paid promotion and a genuine recommendation. The responsibility ultimately falls on us, the consumers, to verify information and seek out multiple sources before spending our money. In a world of constant motion, taking a moment to pause and reflect is a radical act of intelligent consumption. Technology is a tool that shapes our lives, and understanding it requires more than just a fleeting glance at a screen. As we move forward, the line between content and advertisement will blur further, making media literacy an essential skill. The next generation is growing up in this fast-paced environment, learning to communicate and consume information in entirely new ways. Perhaps the future isn't video at all, but immersive virtual reality experiences where we can test products digitally before buying. Imagine being able to hold a virtual phone, feel its weight through haptics, and test its camera in a simulation. Artificial intelligence is also entering the field, capable of generating summaries and reviews based on aggregated data from the web. However, the human element, that subjective feeling of joy or frustration, is something that AI can simulate but never truly feel. That human connection is what keeps us coming back to our favorite creators, regardless of whether the video is short or long. It creates a community of enthusiasts who share a passion for technology and a desire to understand the future together. This global conversation drives innovation, as manufacturers listen to the feedback loops created by millions of short and long reviews. We have seen features added or removed specifically because of the collective voice of the internet, amplified by video content. It is a continuous cycle of improvement, where media and industry dance together in a rhythm set by the consumer's attention. So, the next time you watch a short review, remember that you are seeing a carefully curated highlight reel, not the full movie. Look beneath the surface, ask the hard questions, and do not be afraid to dive deeper than the 60-second limit allows. Take notes on what matters to you personally, whether it is the camera, the battery, or just the way it looks. Use the fast facts as a starting point, but verify the price and availability, as the digital market fluctuates every single day. Be aware that the hype generated by these videos can create artificial scarcity, pushing you to buy before you are ready. Sometimes the best decision is to wait, to let the hype settle and see how the product stands the test of time. Patience is a virtue in the tech world, saving you money and saving the planet from unnecessary electronic waste and clutter. Look for products that prioritize sustainability and longevity, values that are often overlooked in the rush for the newest flashy gadget. Support creators who advocate for the right to repair and who take the time to show you how to maintain your devices. Join communities that share knowledge, where the collective experience of thousands of users outweighs the opinion of a single influencer. In this ocean of content, let critical thinking be your lighthouse, guiding you toward technology that truly enhances your life. Remember that technology is meant to serve us, to free us, not to trap us in an endless loop of consumption. As we conclude our analysis, we see that the landscape of tech reviews is a reflection of our own changing culture. Short videos and long reviews are two sides of the same coin, each serving a distinct and necessary purpose in our lives. Embrace the speed of the short form for excitement, but respect the depth of the long form for understanding and wisdom. At Secure Biz, we are committed to bringing you the full picture, navigating the complexities of the digital age with clarity. We will continue to explore these trends, dissecting the mechanisms of media and technology to keep you informed and empowered. Thank you for taking the time to dive deep with us today, challenging the norm of short attention spans. If you found value in this analysis, please consider subscribing to our channel to join our growing community of thinkers. Hit the notification bell to ensure you never miss our deep dives into the technologies that are shaping our future. As we sign off, remember that the most powerful tool you own is not in your pocket, but in your mind. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and never settle for the surface-level view when there is a whole world beneath to discover. The future is bright for those who seek understanding, and we are honored to be your guides on this fascinating journey. From the fast facts to the deep analysis, we have covered the spectrum of tech reviews and their impact on us. Stay curious, stay critical, and always look for the story behind the specifications and the marketing hype of the industry. This has been a Secure Biz production, dedicated to elevating the conversation around technology and business in the modern era. We appreciate your time and attention. Until next time, keep innovating and stay secure in your business and your life. Thank you for watching Secure Biz. Goodbye and take care.